Hello guys, tablet Huawei MatePad 10.4 is 2021 year version, 4 GB memory and 64 GB internal memory. Okay, open box, look complementation. In complementation we have tablet, midnight gray color. Okay, and this we have adapter for charging and micro USB and USB Type-C cable. Okay, device made of plastic. On the back side camera, LED and microphone. On front side 10.4-inch display, front camera, downside slot for micro SD card for memory. On this side power key and speakers. On this side second speakers and USB Type-C port. Upside volume case. Okay, turn on. Okay, we have display full HD plus resolution. This IPS display, 10.4-inch. Open settings, about tablet, Android 10, UMI 10.1.1. Okay, open tests. Onto the benchmark, we have high silicon Kirin 820, this octa-core processor, CPU speed 2.3, 2.2 and 2.8 GHz. Look results onto the benchmark. Okay, and start the modern game Asphalt 8. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load, look how working. Okay, works good, high performance. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.